Hello, Legos here with Grow a Garden video. This is what I decorate with Newbie Event Cosmetics. Love this honey vibes. Nice bee statue in the middle. These are all the new flowers from Bee Swarm I got. I only got for bee eggs. The best pet I got from it was Bear Bee. I saved 18 flower packs to open with you and see my luck. Purple Dahlia. Sunflower, I was missing this flower. I'm so happy I got now. Pink Lily. Lilac. Rose. Foxglove. Foxglove again. Rose. Pink Lily. Again, Pink Lily. Rose. Lilac. Lilac again. Purple Dahlia. Rose. Rose again. My third rose. My last pack lilac. Now let's place sprinklers and grow my sunflower. It's gonna be huge. Getting bigger. This is only 42% growth. %60, 70%, 80%. %90. Fully grown. So beautiful.